Welcome back, tech enthusiasts. Are you struggling with a TP-Link router that can't provide internet? Don't fret, because today we're diving deep into how to fix a TP-Link router that can't provide internet. Whether it's for work or play, having consistent and reliable internet is essential. So let's explore several solutions to get your network back up and running smoothly. Step 1. Check physical connections. First things first, ensure that all your physical connections are secure. Check that the power cable is firmly connected to the TP-Link router. Also, verify that the Ethernet cable connecting your modem to the router is tightly plugged into the correct WAN port. If it feels loose or damaged, try using a different cable. Reboot both the router and the modem to refresh the network configuration. Step 2. Verify modem functionality. Before getting too deep into router troubleshooting, ensure that your modem is working correctly. Connect your computer directly to the modem using an Ethernet cable to see if you can access the internet. If you still experience connectivity issues, the problem might lie with the modem or your ISP. In this case, contact your internet service provider to check for outages or technical problems in your area. Step 3. Reconfigure router settings. Sometimes incorrect settings can cause connectivity issues. Access your router's web interface by entering the router's IP address, often 192.168.0.1 or 192.168.1.1 into your web browser. Log in using the default credentials, usually printed on the router or in the manual. Navigate to the network section and ensure the PPPoE or dynamic IP settings are correctly configured according to your ISP's instructions. Save any changes and reboot the router to apply them. Step 4. Update firmware. Outdated firmware can also contribute to connectivity issues. Visit the TP-Link website to check for the latest firmware updates for your router model. Download the correct firmware file and return to the router's web interface. In the System Tools section, select Firmware Upgrade and upload the downloaded file. Updating the firmware can resolve many issues, but be sure to follow the instructions carefully to avoid bricking your device. Step 5. Perform a factory reset. If all else fails, a factory reset might be necessary. This step restores the router to its original settings, erasing all custom configurations. To perform a reset, locate the reset button, usually found on the back of the device. Use a paperclip to hold the button for about 10 seconds until the router reboots. After the reset, reconfigure your network settings and reconnect your devices. And there you have it. With these straightforward steps, you should be able to tackle any issues causing your TP-Link router not to provide internet. From checking simple connections to updating firmware, each solution plays a role in maintaining stable internet access. Remember, reliable internet is crucial in today's connected world, so make sure to address and resolve any network issues promptly. We hope this guide on how to fix a TP-Link router that can't provide internet was helpful. If you have any additional tips or questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Until next time, stay connected and happy surfing.